Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss one more example to implement while loop. The program is to find the factorial function using while loop. So to find the factorial of a given number, we need n variable as the input. I is the variable used within while loop, that is a loop variable, and product is the variable used to store the result in each iteration. So output, if we are considering, first we need to enter n value. So n value, if we have entered 4 in the sense, we need to find the factorial for 4. So the factorial of a given number 4 is nothing but 4 factorial is nothing but 24. So factorial of a given number is nothing but 1 factorial in the sense 1 only, 2 factorial in the sense 1 into 2. So starting from 1, what is the number we need to find? Up to that we need to multiply the sequential numbers. So we will get it as 2. Suppose 3 factorial in the sense 1 into 2 into 3. Starting from 1 up to this given number, we need to multiply each number. So we will get it as 6. And 4 factorial in the sense 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So we will get it as 24. So likewise we need to find. So this is the logic of factorial function, and this factorial function we need to implement in C program. So here if we are considering, first we need to initialize I variable. Using the while loop, check the condition whether I value is less than or equal to n value for each iteration. Then multiply with the product value. Initial product value we have initialized to 1. And at the end of the body of the loop, update the variable value. So this process continues until I value is less than or equal to n. If the condition fails in the sense, loop will exit and it will print the factorial is equal to what is the result we are getting, that it will print in the output screen. The same program we have implemented with for loop also. So the equivalent for loop is, in while loop, initialization is single statement, condition evaluation is next statement, and updation is a separate statement. And here in for loop, if we are considering, all 3 statements will present as a single statement only. That is, for this initialization, that is I is equal to 1, and this condition checking I less than or equal to n, and this updation, that is I less plus. And then we have to include this same body of loop. Product star is equal to I. So this is the equivalent for loop statement to implement factorial function. So now we will trace the logic of this while loop. So first we need to enter n value. N value we will consider 4 only. Then the factorial of a given number. Then comes the while loop. So initially I value we need to consider as 1. So consider for first iteration I value is 1 and check the condition while I value 1 less than or equal to n value here we have entered as 4. So 1 less than or equal to 4, condition true. Then find the product. Product star is equal to I means this is a shorthand assignment statement, and the equivalent assignment statement is product is equal to product into I. That is the meaning. So here product is equal to, initially product value in our program we have initialized to 1. So 1 into I value is nothing but 1. So here we will get it as 1 and then increment I value. So I value if you are incrementing, I will get updated to 2. Then consider second iteration with I value 2. Using while loop, check the condition whether 2 is less than or equal to 4. N value was 4 only. Condition true. Then find the product. Product is equal to product into I. So this product value we need to consider with the previous iteration. What is the updated value of this product that we need to consider. So in the previous iteration product value is 1 into current iteration I value is nothing but 2. So we will get it as 2. Then increment I value. If you are incrementing, I value will be 3 now. So with I is equal to 3, consider third iteration. So in third iteration, check the condition while I value is 3 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. Then find the product. Product is equal to previous iteration product value is 2 into I. Current iteration I value is 3. So we will get it as 6. Then update the I value. I gets updated to 4. So with I value 4, consider the fourth iteration. Check the condition while 4 less than or equal to 4. So here if you are considering less than condition fails, but the equality condition is satisfied. So 4 is equal to 4, condition true. Then find the product. So product is equal to previous iteration product value, that is 6, into current iteration I value is 4. So we will get it as 24. Now at the end of this body of loop, update I value. I value gets updated to 5 now. Next, consider the next iteration. So for next iteration with I value 5. So check the condition while 5 less than or equal to 4. Condition fails. Now it will not allow the body of the loop to execute. Control will transfer to the next statement in the C code. So next statement is using the printf statement, we need to print n value and product value. That is n factorial, that is 4 factorial is equal to product value is 24. So here since we have entered n is equal to 4, we have find the factorial for value 4. Suppose if you have given n value is equal to 5 means one more iteration it will take it and it will print the value 120. 5 factorial is equal to 120. Likewise, for any number of n value, it will find the factorial of the given number. And iterations also it will consider accordingly. So whenever the condition is true, it will allow the body of the loop to execute once. When the condition fails means it will not allow the body of the loop to execute. Control will transfer to the next statement in the C code. So this is the logic of the factorial function using while loop. So the same program logic we have discussed for loop also. I will provide the link in the description for your reference. Thank you for watching this video.